SLC Clinic is one of the most eminent clinics in Bangkok, and I'm glad to be here with the team. We have launched initially our first ID machine, which is the True Body for slimming. This machine has been really very effective on patients who've used it. So I would encourage all the patients who are looking for a slimming therapy to come to SLC and use truSculpt ID.
Today to visit SLC Clinic, who is our first truSculpt user in Bangkok. So truSculpt ID is the first and only approved monopolar RF for fat lipolysis. And with the truSculpt ID, the patient can get fat removal, but on top of it, they can also get skin tightening and body toning. So definitely, I'm looking forward the patient in Bangkok can try the truSculpt ID. SLC Clinic!